Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. What we're going to do today is have a flick through the pages of the latest Weathering Aircraft magazine from Ammo. This one is all about interiors. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Start off, an introduction. Table of contents and some eye candy being photoshopped into the interior of a helicopter by the looks of it. And then some examples of interiors. And there's one particular sentence down here that covers the whole magazine in a sentence really. Here we'll see how to make cockpits, electronics bays, landing gear bays and more in a fast, simple and very effective way. And that's basically what this whole magazine is about. So we start off going through various types of interiors. You can see there's wiring panels, instrument panels, all different pieces of an aircraft. Then we start off with a Devastator in 1/48th, and starting off with going through it step by step, building it all up, using a couple of sets from Ammo of paint and weathering sets. Goes through all the different techniques, and the seatbelts are covered using oils, washes, decals, basically putting everything together. Then it goes down onto a seascape. Next one is a B25, again 1/48th, and this one has the interior scratch build, nice technique for doing fabric on the inside. Lots of scratch built details on the inside. So it talks through all the different ways to do that. And maps. Then a First World War Pfalz D12. And again, there's making eyes from wire, and then wood effect, and adding a lot of internal wire and bracing to the cockpit. Notice everything is concentrating on the cockpit in here. We don't see the finished aircraft, you're just looking at the cockpits. An Italieri 1/48th H34, which is a nice little kit. There's a review of this kit on our site, by the way. Again, weathering inside helicopters could get pretty drastic. So going through weathering, chipping effects, different types of mud and the like inside. Then on to a Kinetic 1/48th Hornet, and again painting the cockpit. Goes through step by step using photo etch, all the different techniques used, shading with oils, doing the undercarriage bays. A Focke FW190 S5. This started off as an A5, and then the rear cockpit is scratch built. So it goes through everything they did in scratch building that rear cockpit, building the instrument panel, the seat, everything. So there's lots of good information on this article particularly, and obviously all the painting stuff. Building and making a new fuel tank. Canberra B62. This is a specific aircraft, an Argentinian aircraft. So there's lots of extra detail added to this one. It sort of started off here with these parts, and you can see in this picture there's lots of extra pieces being added. So lots of scratch building in there. And then different techniques I've seen using Maskol to mask parts within the cockpit while you spray paint, and then painting it all through to the end. Then radio compartments in a 109E and a G6. So basically start with, I think they're Edward kits to start with, but then it's the whole painting techniques to hide them up, because obviously you're going to open up the fuselage so you can see these things. And there's adding the wiring and such like in there. Lavochkin LA7, adding lots of extra detail into that one, as well as all the painting and weathering techniques used. And some sci-fi, a snowspeeder from Star Wars, basically just the bare Bandai 148 kit, then the techniques used to make the most of what you get as part of the kit. And then a Trumpeter 132nd Su-25 with those nice bright colours that Russian aircraft have, along with all the weathering and masking, building an avionics bay, adding the wiring to it, how to do all that. Then at the end, and in the next issue, it looks like we're looking at seaplanes. So it's pretty neat. Best, as it says here, best place or the best value to get these is a subscription. I get mine direct from the website from Ammo, and they arrive here in Canada nice and safely 4 times a year. So if you want to know about how to build your interiors, take them to the next level, this will be a good magazine for you to get.